Alright, you guys, the second film we're going to be talking about was 8½, and I assumed you watched that too. It's by Federico Fellini. So, a few thoughts on 8½. Flashbacks from Guido's past reoccur in his present life and define who is accountable for his individuality. In Guido's picture, everything happens. He wanted to make an honest film, no lies, no comparisons, a film that would help everybody bury their past. Guido worries about becoming finished, uninspired, and fake. He worries about the loss of his individualism. So, let's relate ontology, which is the nature of being, the philosophy from metaphysics, and let's relate that to 8½. So, with the creating of the film, Guido loses his identity. He loses his sense of self-worth and individualism and desires to go on in life no more. The film was too much for him, and he lost all authority, not only in the picture, but in his own life. Only when he hits rock bottom does life begin to improve for Guido. The production of the film is therefore cancelled. With the dismissal of the film, Guido gains everything he ever wanted. So, now you guys get out your pen and paper again and write down 8½, and I want you to take notes on these questions I will be asking you. So, the first question on 8½, what do the flashbacks represent regarding Guido's self and accountability? Who has the authorship of the film he is creating? Why should you be happy? This is not your task in life, said the cardinal. If this is not our task as an individual, then where do we find ourselves? What keeps Guido from understanding his self? At the end of the film, the man says, "It is better to destroy than create what was It was better to destroy than create what was unessential." How did this help Guido gain his individuality? And I hope you guys have taken notes, and you better be prepared. Alright, bye! Just kidding, not bye. We still have a few more things we need to go over before I can let you go. Now let's watch 2 clips from 8½, Fellini's film.